Welcome to John's Jeep Garage. This video is quick and will show you how to reattach a rear view mirror. Okay, for this rear view mirror, this is called a metal button. This metal button is what actually goes against the front windshield, and then this mirror will slide on it. And depending on your mirror, there's different type of fasteners. This one specifically has a Phillips screw or bolt that actually travels and holds this on. Some of them you'll see have a small little indentation or hole, and you slide a screwdriver in and you press a metal clip down, and that clip is exerting pressure on here. Then you pull the button off. Always, just because of excess glue, always like just trying to make sure that's clean. Since this is the Phillips screwdriver one with the bolt, I pull this off, and now you have the metal button. So what I am going to do is clean this off and prep the surface so I can use my rearview mirror adhesive from Permatex. This one, notice, use on metal buttons only, and they do have other types, but this is the type I use. Very quick and simple job. Again, clean this up, and then we'll take the next steps. All right, thank you. I use some basic adhesive remover, as well as a flat blade scraper. I don't want to damage the surface, but I did want to prep it for the application. So I used a dry erase marker to outline where the button is. From the inside of the vehicle, you can see the outline, and then quickly just scraping that area. I'm going to clean the glass with some Windex. Okay, this is pretty simple, but this is clean, and I've cleaned the glass like you saw earlier. And this right here is a cleaning wipe, but it's really also an activator, they call it. And I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to clean the glass right at that spot where this button will be installed. And actually it'll be installed on the glass this way, because this is the face. I'm going to open up this packet and let it dry also for about 2 minutes. I'm going to open up this packet, and you see all of this in here. We're not going to apply all of this in here. You're going to put one drop on the face of this, and then you're immediately going to press that metal button against the glass with the one drop, and you're going to hold it there for at least 30 seconds. Then what you're going to do is let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then you can put the mirror on. Okay, let's follow those steps. Okay, for this one, I'm just going to take it, open it up, and then I'm going to hold it, and this is what I'm going to wipe on that spot. So I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to let that dry about 2 minutes. So we're going to take this package, we're going to cut it, going to place one drop on this, and now I'm going to go apply this to the glass. So I'm going to take this, apply it to the glass, and hold it for 30 seconds. Now I just slip it on, put the bolt back in, and we are good to go. Thank you for visiting John's Jeep Garage, and if this video helped you, please like, and we'd love for you to subscribe.